kaibigan, wala ka bakit sa panibagong video. So ngayon, ay naglaro nga pala tayo ng Guess the Drawing. So bago tayo mag-start, huwag nyo naman mag-like and mag-subscribe. Click mo ang notification bell para update kayo. Pag meron akong mga video, start na tayo. Let's go! Easy, water lang, o diba? Shit! I'ma climb up on that mountain. So, mali, hindi pala dito. Sa kabila. Sa kabila. Ay. Okay. We are on the top. But no, we're not gonna get just here. We're gonna get up there. You what? Yes. There we go. Oh, why can't I get up? First one to guess. What? Oh! I got up, yeah. I don't want to leave our Layla. What is that? So, what is that? Yun na naman sila, Kid Kat Dog. What is that? What is that? Ano yan, guys? What is that? Is that, oh my gulay, it's an owl. Bruh. Kung wala lang yung una yan, hindi ko mahuhulaan. It's an owl. Okay, what is that? What is the next of the drawing? Yo. Yes, remove it. Yo. No, I don't want that. I don't want the shape. I don't want the shape. It's a spoon. It's a spoon. Guys, may fork pa dyan, may fork. Sheesh. Hindi nga lang matilos. Oh my god. What is that? What is that? What is that? What? Bro, what is the bacon? Oh! May Pilipino. Oh my. So they know this. What is that? It's not United. It's that. Kit. Kita nyo. Okay, what is next? What is that? Is there fries? Yeah, fries. She's so easy, bro. Sinusulat niya, guys, copyright. Copyright. Ayan, buti na lang hindi pala copyright. Oh my. Pag ako na-copyright dito dahil lang sa game na to, ayoko na. Fries. It's good and salty. Okay, I'm gonna draw next, guys. Let's go. Oh, and so we're gonna go like a block like that, and then yes. Yes, there we go. Black. Yo, pati pala nandun. Ano to? What is this? Panama Club School. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Let's go! Guys, yes. Kanina sabi ko, ay, Japan pala to. Akala ko, na kayaan. Dada, jungle. Yep, so easy, bro. So easy, bro. So easy. Umaga, neck. Neck, hindi. Sinasabi niyo na ano, hindi yung... wag yung N-word. Hindi yung N-word. Neck. Hindi yung N-word. Wag, please. Wala pa akong N-word pass. I'm playing Dim Abby. It's meal. Oh, it's a banana. Banana. Bro, what kind of banana is that? Bruh. Bayan, inaano pa nila eh. Bana-bana. Ano yan? Inaano nila yung word. Oh. Next word. Parang sila nakakaano dun. Try nga natin to. How will I ever get up there? I will go into it. Oh, actually, look at me. Is the there? Oh, how will you ever get up there? How would you ever get up there? Bro, let me get up. Get up. Oh, you can't. Why? Because someone is blocking the way. Oh, man. Yan. Oh, yan! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Oh, magagan pala yung word, guys. Di ko na napapansin. Umaga, guys. Dito kami nagpapakahirap. Thank you. Please help me. Thank you. Thank you. How will you ever aim down there? Oh. Oh, I need attract. So we gonna first start with this, and then yes, yeah. So they guessed it. Yeah. So, dito ko man tatapos yung video na to. Sana naman ay nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell para update kayo pag mayroon akong bagong video. So, bye-bye na guys. See you!